Online entrepreneurs. On the other side of the sheet of paper is the exact blueprint I used to build a 6-figure online business in under 1 year at 20 years old. Want to see? This is the exact system businesses pay me $1,500 to $5,000 a month to set up for them. How does it work? Pretty simple. We run Facebook ads, we collect leads via Facebook's lead gen system, and we send that new customer to the business. Why is this business model better than any other? Well, put simply, there is no faster way to a sustainable income. You only need 1 to 2 clients to be making enough every month to work from home and make your dreams a reality. So if you'd like me to show you step by step how I set up and sell a system like this to businesses for up to $5,000 per month, click the screen and click Visit Advertiser in the top right if you're on mobile or the bottom left if you're on desktop. If you're looking to build a profitable online business as fast as possible with little to no overhead expenses, no experience on your part, and the ability to operate from anywhere in the world, this is for you. If you're not satisfied in your current career or you just plain hate being in debt as a working student, this is for you. And don't worry, you don't need to know anything about sales because in the training, I'm going to show you my straight up stupid strategy for obtaining your first high paying client. In the training, I'll also show you how to deliver mind-blowing results to your clients so they stay for life and keep paying you every single month. Your age does not matter here, nor does your experience level. In fact, there are tens of thousands of businesses out there that are willing and able to pay you anywhere between $1,500 and $5,000 per month to do what I'm about to show you. So click on or below this video to register. Look forward to meeting you soon.